Hi, this is Alex Paul from Open Systems Media and Embedded Computing Design, and I'm here at the Things Conference in Amsterdam with Luka Mustafa.
Indeed.
There you go, Luka Mustafa. And you're with IRNAS, correct?
Correct, yes.
Now, first off, I'm really glad to have you here. This has been a really interesting show, and I know we're going to have a chance to talk about this stuff. But first, what does IRNAS stand for?
Oh, IRNAS stands for Institute for Development of Advanced Applied Systems, and this is what we actually do. So we build cool projects that are very niche IoT applications, and we solve problems for research organizations, for industry, and build some really cool things.
So where are you based?
We are based in Slovenia, in Maribor. So.
See, and one of the things I love about this new ecosystem is that it's really allowing people wherever they are to pick up tools and get things done.
Exactly. So the Things Network especially is quite a good tool because it's globally universal essentially. So we can build devices everywhere, ship them everywhere, and they just work, which is perfect for what we do.
No, and that's what people want, right? They want the product to work when they get it.
Exactly.
Now, we've been talking application spaces. These are all very interesting devices. Can you tell me a little bit? I'll hold my mic so you can talk as you have your hands free. But tell me about each of these devices. Hold them up for the camera and we'll talk.
All right. So we are showing here a few devices we built for our partners. If we start with the nice buoy here, which is a partnership project with IRNAS, a French organization, to do cost-effective wave height monitoring. So current state of technology is there are wave height measuring buoys, which are rather expensive in thousands of euros per device, so you can only afford 1 or 2 or 10, some small number of them. And LoRaWAN enables us to build really low-cost devices, have low-cost connectivity, so we can deploy fleets of these devices and get more granular data, so spatially in granular data, and that allows us to have a different insight. So not just have one good quality data point, but really have a volume of data.
Very nice. I'm going to hold this for you steady while you grab the other ones.
All right. So a different project here is with Aribada Initiative and Penguin Watch project. So we designed for them a solution with edge computing capabilities to take photos of penguins in Antarctica, essentially. And because there's an embedded platform inside, it allows to process that images and come up with some clever answers. And then obviously LoRaWAN is a great communication option. And most importantly, with Lacuna Space, so the space connectivity that's coming up, we will have connectivity everywhere. And that's also very cool for these buoys, as on this conference, we are actually launching this device, which is the first compatible unit with Lacuna Space. So as soon as the satellites are up, this will be already transmitting and floating in the sea.
Very cool. Well, they already have 4 satellites up now, so you're almost there, right?
Almost there.
Excellent. So tell me about this last little one here. I'll hold this.
The nice small device. This is a project we are kind of well known for, turtle tracking, again with Aribada Initiative partners. So for them, we designed a technology solution to be able to monitor sea turtle track animals and do a few things. Capture some really cool video, and that's also shown in the starting slides of this conference. It really shows the turtles swimming around, and with that we can see what they encountered, we can see the trash, we can see all of that. And on the back end, LoRaWAN technology enables us to really find where those devices are. We can see when the turtle comes back to the beach, so we can get the cameras off them and so forth. And the smaller one is a GPS version of that for tracking them.
Very nice, Luka. You go ahead and take your mic back up again. Oh, we'll fight for it. No.
All right. All right.
But it's fun. I got a whole. This is cool stuff.
Perfect.
So, what's the future? Where are you going with all of this? You're going to expand your application spaces, dive deeper into those verticals. Where are you headed with it all?
Right. So we are very much interested in developing custom solutions. So what we typically do is consult our partners to use some other product on the market to achieve their goal and make their application happen. But for the niche cases where there's nothing out there that does what they want it to do, we develop the solutions, we manufacture them ourselves, and we really have a short turnaround time so everyone can start deploying this quickly. And on the future part, LoRaWAN is something which we consider to be as close to the internet and how it works in the IoT space compared to all of the other technologies, which enables us to bring it everywhere, merge it, do whatever we want with it, and really create cool things. So we really value the flexibility and also the capabilities this gives us.
Very nice. So Luka, what's your URL? How can people find you?
Oh, we are at irnas.eu.
So that's
IRNAS.eu.
Very cool. Any last words you want to leave our audience before I let you go?
I would just like to thank everyone that's here, and also really recommend everyone watching remotely to check all the sessions, check all the videos. There's so much useful information, so many cool new features that you really should see it.
Excellent, and I'd like to remind our audience that the live stream, we're going to be breaking up all of these videos so they'll be available after the fact on the YouTube site.
Awesome, looking forward to it.
So am I. Thank you, Luka. I really appreciate you taking the time to be with us today.
Thank you very much.